How to delete your NGL account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your NGL account permanently. So let's get started. Open up your NGL app and then head over to inbox in the top and then go to the gear icon in the top right. Now head over to settings and then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on delete account. And then just confirm the account deletion. And just remember that if you delete your account, you'll lose access to your username and all the messages. And that's it. If you're okay with it, you just need to delete your account and it will be deleted permanently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.